Brent with Hydrographics.com. We're back with pattern review of the week. This is, we call this Blue TrueFire. This is a very similar print to our TrueFire print that has been a great seller and an excellent print. We were able to get this in 1 meter wide, so you guys can do some larger parts. Everybody wanted to get the original TrueFire in 1 meter wide, but we're still working on that. We're going to dip to the normal white speed shape today. About 18 psi to the gun, 90-degree water. We'll see, and we test all these prints to see how they hold up. Hopefully this will hold up as good as the original TrueFire print. That's Blue TrueFire, and I would say that holds up very well. A lot of people have problems with the fire prints of the black degrading at the end of the part. I just want to show you, it would be down in this area. The black stays very, very true even over a white speed shape. So that's how you can tell you've got a good flame print, when the black stays really true and black. You can purchase this at Hydrographics.com. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next time.